Are you a habitual consumer of chia seeds? In what way do you prefer to use it? It is a beneficial element to lose weight since it offers fatty acids and a lot of soluble fiber content. Do not forget to know how to use chia seeds for weight loss. Read this note. Chia seeds for weight loss. The chia seeds are an excellent ally for health. In addition to providing a necessary amount of fatty acids, this food is very rich in soluble fibers. These are the best to drag fats from the body and thus eliminate them. But do you know how to use chia seeds for weight loss? In this article, you will find a series of possibilities, so that you do not have any doubts about its use. 7 easy ways to use chia seeds for weight loss. 1. Chia gel. This is what known as activate the chia seeds. Put chia seeds in water for 10 minutes or more. You will see that its release has a kind of gelatin. They are the soluble fibers that this cereal has. Consume about 3 or 4 spoonfuls a day of this preparation. 2. Chia water. Put a tablespoon of chia seeds and a spoonful of lemon juice in a glass of water. Consume this preparation up to 3 times a day. The seeds will not activate beforehand, but they will do their work inside your stomach. 3. Prepare shoots with chia. Place a damp cloth and, on top of it, sprinkle the right amount of chia seeds. Cover them with a thin and wet canvas. Moisten until you have your shoots and eat them in the salad. Use them to decorate your meals and enjoy them. 4. Chia oil. Being a good source of qualitative fatty acids such as omega-3, a great way to consume chia is using its oil. Always do it raw to enjoy its benefits. 5. Chia flour. The chia can use as flour. If you want to prepare a light dough, you cannot have it as the primary option, since it does not have gluten and does not bind much, but you can always add to other flours or sprinkle on some foods. 6. Use chia in your meals. Chia can do well in any preparation. You can sprinkle them on a plate of rice, in a salad or soup, even place them in a fruity dessert. The possibilities are many, not to mention in shakes, which are phenomenal. It's a matter of seeing where you think they will not clash and use them. 7. Chia supplements. Of course, chia tablets can also be a good option. Some people consider that they are not as natural as the seeds themselves, and they may be right, but there are others to whom this format is more practical and even more useful.